mga langga! This is my breakfast, yogurt and tacos, before heading for my work interview. As you can see, it's hard to see the lane because it's raining so hard, but we're driving safely. Pam Pam grabbed me some coffee because I am sleepy. I can't open my eyes. Interview went well. After the interview, we decided to drive in the countryside to see the wildflowers. You know, this beautiful mustard wildflowers. As you can see, I am enjoying. I just want to be one with the flowers. It's a little bit muddy though because it's been raining all morning, but thank God it stopped for a while and I was able to take some photos and videos for you guys. I hope you enjoy. As we're driving home, we received a tornado warning in our cell phone telling us to find shelter because there is a tornado forming in our area. As you can see in my back, there is a tornado. We have a tornado warning and there's a tornado forming in my back. We don't really have a basement, so we're kind of looking where there's tornado heading to. And yeah, I hope we all be safe, guys. So I'll keep you updated. Like a warning going on. I'm just gonna go swim in here. If tornado comes, guys, I'm just gonna jump in. I don't know if it's safe though. I'm so sleepy now. Oh wait. Is it like not no, I have to find shelter. I have to go inside, guys, because the wind's getting stronger. After 5 minutes, I went outside to check the clouds. As you can see, it's getting clearer. It's still raining. And I heard from the news that the tornado went to a different direction.
It's raining hard now, guys. I think it went a different direction.
But we're still under tornado warning that
You can
time.
see in my back, guys. It's kind of raining hard now, and very dark. The dark clouds in the clouds forming tornado is headed different direction. Thank God, but we still have to keep an eye on it for our safety. Thank you guys for watching. It's nice to listen to rain though.
Even on the water. Pretty daggone good.
So thank God the tornado is not in a different direction, but I'm still praying for the safety of everyone. You know, you don't want anybody to get hit by the beast. So be safe, everyone.